Hi, welcome back to the Seated Tai Chi Challenge. Today we're going to be doing a Qigong exercise called Lifting Spirit. The movement is palms up, lifting up along the sides of the body, turning the palms to the front, and pushing out. So the arms are not locked, rotating the fingers in, and lifting up and pressing up above. Then the arms float down. Palms lifting up the sides of the body. Palms pressing to the front and out. Fingertips turn in and palms press up. Fingertips to the sky and the arms float down. The breathing is inhale up, exhale out. Breathing in as you press up. Breathing out as the arms float down. Inhale up, exhale out. Inhale up, exhale down. Now let's put that in our Qigong practice framework. Creating sanctuary, safe place, safe feeling, safe chair, relax from head to toe. Smile from the heart. Close your eyes if you feel safe so that you can relax more fully. Arms float down by the sides and inhale up. Exhale out. Breathing in as we press. Breathing out as the arms float down. Let the arms float down. Sigh of relief. Palms on your knees or lap. Do a check-in. How do you feel physically, emotionally, and mentally? The movement again, if you want to practice this on your own, is inhale up, exhale out, inhale up, exhale down. Lifting spirit. Lifting spirit is a good exercise for lifting the mood and the emotions. It can be done anytime, anywhere. Thank you for joining me.